Prepare na tayo ng breakfast. Ready ng breakfast, guys. Good morning, Beatrice. Good morning sa bebe ni Mama. Say good morning. Smile, smile, smile. Kasi Mama, bundi. Shall we eat na? Shall we? Yeah? Let's eat na? Come on. Sleepy pa ang baby ni Mama, ay. Sleepy pa ang baby ni Mama. Papa already changed his clothes. This is so up. Come on na. Uy, it was not recorded. So guys, we're done our breakfast. Beatrice. Beatrice is still eating. Brush your teeth, Beatrice. Handa natin yung damit ni Bea. You should be comfortable because it's cold again today, guys. Napakalamig. So, handa natin yung kanyang pants. Have to put her proper clothes. So, yun. Ay, good. Okay. You're studying? That is studying. What are you reading, baby?
That.
The stars and the stars and the stars. Let's change clothes now. Okay?
Yeah.
So, master vlog. So, you can earn money.
Okay.
So, let's comb Beatrice. Yeah. Got that. So, ako na din magpalit ng damit, guys. Let's go na, guys. Beatrice is ready. Wear your sports shoes kasi sports niya. Okay. She has to wear her sports shoes. Uy. Put my shoes on. Sa sasakyan na ako naglalagay ng sa mukha. Lipstick lang naman. At siya kaunting kilay. Ay. Ano tayo mag-ano? So, why my color is so completely different? It's too white. Am I really too white? Yeah, it's whiter than... Beatrice is there. Beatrice, so pretty ang baby ni Mama. Traffic guys, traffic. Dalhin natin si Beatrice sa school. Then later, may kukuhanin tayo kasi may pinaayos kami. Is ito kasi pinamana din to ni Lola sa akin. So, isa to sa mga pinamana. Actually, madami-dami na rin siya binigay sa akin. Dito. So, based sa nabasa ko, bawal daw ito isuot. Ewan ko, bawal ba isuot? Ang puti-puti ko. Yeah. Tapos bawal daw isuot kung hindi mo alam yung religion nila. Ganon. You don't know the belief. The true meaning of Jews. So, parang ganon siya. So, hindi ko alam. Pwede ba ito isuot o hindi? Golden to daw. Sabi ni Lola, this is gold. Actually, try ko na siya i-test sa magnet. Hindi siya magnetized. So, yun.
Kind of still some gold.
They're running. They're that. So, yun. Try natin. Kasi kung nalala nyo, meron akong necklace. Sobrang haba. Tapos, ginamit ko kasi isang vlog eh. Palagi siyang napuputol. Kasi nadami na niyang mga kunik-kunik palagi namin dinadala yun. Kasi manipis na siya. Pero ano yun? Ilang grams yun yun? Before, 4.6 grams. Tapos, pinutol ko. Naging 3 grams na lang. So yun yung ano, ilalagay ko yan doon. Gusto ko kasi yung medyo nipis lang. Isa sa mga pinamana sa atin. Ang aking in-law. Manlerno ko nabibigay sa akin yan. So si Beatrice nasa napakagandang bata. The sun is hitting her face. Sa syudad namin, we're approaching na the city. So yung curve na makipaghabunuan ka dito eh. Ayan. Maganda ng view dito. Pababa. Pataas, pababa, paikot-ikot pa. It's foggy. So guys, we're going home. Nakuha na natin yung ating kailanganin. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong kailangan natin. So this one guys, ito. This is 3 grams, no? So guys, ilagay natin to. Let's see. Lola will see it that I will wear this one. Oh. Mahaba pa rin. Still okay. Despite, no. Oh, diba? I'm sweating. We're walking a lot and drinking coffee. Naging Portuguese na tuloy kami. Yeah.
She said it's okay actually.
Dadaan kami sa aking loss. Ay ating hipusin yung ano niya, yung Christmas tree. Ilagay natin sa lugar na kasi magpe-February na. Valentine's na, may Christmas tree pa rin. May Christmas tree pa rin February. So kailangan kong tanggalin na yon yung Christmas tree. So taan kami doon bago tayo uwi. So guys, we are heading home. I will put it out because I don't put it with Lolo. But actually, Lolo saw all in my vlog, so I don't care. I don't sneak. I don't pick it up. Lola give it to me, so you know. Lola is only happy because I'm wearing it. That's the thing. So guys, we're heading home, and I'm low-bat na. It's already 11, so when I come back home, I need to hang the clothes, I need to cook for food, I need to clean up the house, so much things to do. Ganito yung buhay, criss-cross na. So yeah, it's getting warm, 12 degrees. No? So nice. So guys, tayo po ay magluluto. Magluto ako ng rice. At para sa lunch ng aking asawa, ako gagawin ko siya ng tuna sandwich. So this is real tuna. Yan ako, dinefrost ko. So yung half para sa kanya, gawin ko tuna sandwich, yung half, yun yung kakainin ko for lunch. So yun yung lunch natin. So ayan. So guys, it's it. We have here tuna. Nakakain ako, nakumpisan ako, kaso lang hindi pa ako nakapag-vlog. So may sausawan tayo. Tuna and someone is eating his tuna sandwich. Ginawa ng sandwich because he's not eating rice as usual. So European, Filipino, rice. O, diba? Kaso lang may wine. Tuba sana yan. Walang tuba dito. Supposedly this is tuba from the coconut. So we don't have coconut here. Walang tuba dito. So wine na lang. Okay, this is it na guys. Nakakamay. So guys, na-change tayo ng punda ng anak namin. So, mag-vacuum na naman ako ng floor. Sabi ko nga, palagi ko nga binabacuum yung bedroom ni Beatrice. So yun, mag-change tayo kasi mukhang naubo-ubo na naman. Nakalimutan ko. Actually, hindi exactly 1 week. Kasi minsan nakakalimutan ko talaga. Sa dami mo naman ginagawa, di ba? So, yun. Ngayon, nalinis ko na. Na-change ko na. At ngayon tayo magbabacuum ng floor niya. So, guys, we're heading home. Papa is already so skinny face. Skinny face daw.
Mama, look, you're going
Beatrice is there. Thank you, baby. Yeah, we already pick up Beatrice. We're going home. And yun. Tapos, the weather is so strange. It's sunshine and raining as well. And it's too dark because tomorrow, the forecast, it will be raining again. Today is this week. Today is only the good weather, and the next coming days, it will be rainy like that. Papa is so skinny na the face Only the tummy. Alam mo, ano siya? But the weight is still retained, no? 100.
Never goes over.
Even though skinny ang legs, skinny na yung face, the arms, but the tummy, because of the medication. It's the medication of Papa Beatrice. That's why.
80% of it is because of medication. Only 80%
medication.
of everything.
I thought it was about you.
Huh?
I thought it was about
About what?
you.
No. Because Papa has medication. It's injected in the tummy. That's why he has that. Yeah, this medication kasi guys, sa tummy ni-inject. So, yun. For ano na. Kaya napupunta doon.
I can see it from
Partly,
here.
but if we...
I can see it from here.
yeah. So, yun. But, yeah. So, guys, we are home. Magluluto ako ng chicken nuggets kay Beatrice. Tapos, yung sa akin naman, kain na kami ng tinapay. So, we bought a lot of bread for us today. Barin ko muna yung jacket. So, we bought a lot. Kasama ko, kay Beatrice. Yung bread kasi na binili ko, tinatawag ng asawa ko yung na paper bread. Paper bread. So, magkaiba naman kasi yung yeah. Let's make it. Wala. Diyos mo yung guys. Ito yung sa asawa ko. Nagpabili ng chocolate. Ayan, yung kakainin niya. Chocolate. At saka isa nito. This is for Beatrice. So, ganito yung kakainin niya. So, yun guys, yun yung kakainin natin. Ito. Kainin niya. Kay Beatrice, rice. Uy, rice. Buti na lang nabablog ako at nakikita ko yung kulang ko. We will reheat the rice. Kakaluto ko lang ng lunch. Tapos yung kay Beatrice. This one. So, yung sa akin, yung ano natin? Paper bread. Sabi na ako paper bread. Ay, buhay. Paper bread daw. Kasi mukhang kape kasi ito. Eh, gusto ko yung ganito lang. Simple lang. Kain ako nito. Dalawa. Tapos yun. Where are you going? Give me na ano yan. Bring it to Papa na. Give me that to banana. Hindi mo pasubod ng pagkain eh.
How does it turn?
Because it turns.
Walk.
Turn the diaper. Thank you.
I will go now.
Tapos na yung exam ni Beatrice. Kaya excited yon. Kasi kaya masaya. Pag-pick up namin sa kanya today kasi nga tapos na yung exam for first term. So yun. Today is the last day of our exam. So yun. At least next week wala namang pasok. Mga 4 days din yun. Pahinga. Save sa gasolina. So that's all for today guys. This is our life here. Simple. Bored. Only like that.